Hi friends, we are presenting a case study. It's all about WhatsApp with IBM Watson, presenting by ANCY Monachan and JOSHNI Mary Thomas. We are the students of MACFAST College, THIRUVALLA, Department of Management Studies. Myself, JOSHNI. Watson. Watson is a question answering supercomputer created for the Jeopardy game show. It is able to answering questions posed in natural language and it is developed by IBM Research. The Watson project leads by Dr. David Ferruzzi. About the development of Watson, the main specialty is it is not connected to the internet. Search engines deliver thousands of results that match keywords. University worked on a question answering software for years and it is programmed by 25 IBM scientists. The game show conducting, it's a Jeopardy game show. Jeopardy challenge. This setup is to answer complex questions of Jeopardy. During the trials, it won 70% of prize games. First computer to go beat against humans in Jeopardy. Defeated show's greatest two champions, Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter. Purpose of Watson. IBM's current most advanced machine is slow and inaccurate. Deep Blue chess supercomputer defeated Garry Kasparov. This idea formed by the IBM top executives. Their goal is to create a new generation of technology, find the answers, quality from the data, and more accurately than current search engine technologies. About the technology, question answering technology using the software called DQA runs on a power of 750 computers, understanding of natural language, and it gives approximately 1 billion books of information, a total of 2880 processors and 90 servers. IBM Watson, the future of computing. Watson represents a major breakthrough in the ability of computers to understand natural language and which humans use to capture and communicate the knowledge. Beyond the Jeopardy, initially it is used for game show Jeopardy and further developed and act as a medical assistant. Clinicians will teach Watson to review oncological case histories with best diagnosis and treatment. Managerial purposes, financial assistant working with Citibank help to analyze customer needs, process financial, economic, product and client data, help financial professionals make better decisions, and the other possibilities are travel, retail, healthcare, classroom. Moving on to summary. In 2006, IBM research project came up with the Watson and set out the Jeopardy challenge. February 2011, history made by defeating the most decorated champion of the game show Jeopardy, named after Thomas J. Watson. Hardware used in Jeopardy consisted of 10 racks of IBM, power of 750 servers running in with a 15 TB of RAM and operated at 80 teraflops. Over 10 million documents were loaded, including Encyclopedia, Wikipedia, IMDb, and New York Times. Watson able to develop solution to any problem less than 3 seconds. Ability to learn from the mistakes and also from the success. February 2011, Jeopardy became the great challenge. IBM expanded the use of Watson in the areas of healthcare. In the time of August 2011, Watson cancer treatment for patients became a promising application from the WellPoint Inc. at the time of March 2011 expanded Watson for the financial services for the government, helped to analyze the customer needs. Later, the Watson supported the industrial applications also. IBM Watson components. Avatar, Apple Mac notebook, the input which is connected to the Watson's game controller. The main functions are voice synthesis, strategies for betting, buzzing in clue selection and exchanging info with Jeopardy computers, Windows 7, Lenovo desktop, and it has two parts, clue and category, answers and confidences. The Watson QA engine combines these two, and this uses some of the hardware and software. And these are the Watson family: IBM Watson Solutions, IBM Watson Ecosystem, IBM Watson Foundations, IBM Watson Technologies, IBM Watson Advisors.
Myself, ANCY Monajan. Questions and answers. How powerful is Watson? Describe its technology. Why does it require so much powerful hardware? The solution is Watson consists of 10 racks of IBM Power 750 servers running in Linux with 15 TB of RAM and 2880 processor cores and operated at 80 teraflops. The main idea behind constructing this system is to support huge data, manipulate and deliver the solution to a question or a problem very accurately in the least possible time. The huge data loads are stored in the primary memory of Watson, which would slow down the processor, thereby reducing the speed of computing. To minimize this, Watson was loaded with such higher power processors and servers. Watson computing ability made it to respond to queries in less than 3 seconds. More than 10 million documents were loaded from encyclopedias, Wikipedia, IMDb's and all the collection magazines of the New York Times to make Watson complete in the Jeopardy. Second question, how intelligent is Watson? What can it do? What can't it do? Solution is, Watson was very intelligent that it could learn from its mistake and success. The developers have loaded programs for it to even compare the questions asked, understand the questions, uses more than hundreds of algorithms to retrieve all the possible solutions and analyze the level of confidence of each solution. It develops patterns of questions and solutions and remembers them in sequence, which makes it easier to compare the response for other questions. According to the case study, Watson had problems in identifying the future. It was hard for it to make or identify solutions to problems based on previous experiences. Third question, what kinds of problem is Watson able to solve? How useful a tool is it for knowledge management and decision making? The solution is, Watson was developed to process natural language. It was used as a source to solve problems related to reasoning. It was later developed to solve problems related to identification of different treatment techniques for different patients, and it was used as a guide by different oncologists. They were used in financial services to compute the problems arising in various transactions. Recent developments in Watson made it possible to identify solutions to future prediction in financial, educational and medical services. It is a very useful tool used by many organizations which process huge data to solve strategic business problems and to identify solutions based on previous occurrences and sources of information. Fourth question, do you think Watson will be as useful in other industries and disciplines as IBM hopes? Will it be beneficial to everyone? Explain your answer. Solution, yes, Watson will be useful in other industries like telecommunication, apart from government, medical and educational sectors. Telecommunication also requires huge volumes of data to be analyzed to identify future requirements to various users. This would bring a change the mobile networking systems. It will be very beneficial to the management of all industries and organizations and government, because it could be used as a storage device, a manipulator of various solutions to problems arising in the industries and other sectors, and also a strategic business partner. The major population would not consider Watson as beneficial because the people will be affected by losing jobs. Watson is programmed to do most of the computing, including data processing and financial transaction. This will decrease the demand for job requirements. Thank you.